I'm Steve Adams. I push pixels and frame rates for a living and go on adventures for fun. Join me as I travel the untamed path of vehicle-based adventure travel with Excursion Overland.
I'm Steve Kramer from Full-Traction Suspension. Today we're here at Full-Traction Central at our installation bay, and we're going to be doing an install on this 2000 Ford Excursion. We're going to be doing an install of our 4-link conversion kit. We call it the ICG Instant Center Geometry Kit for the 2000 to 2005 Excursions. It also fits the 99 to 2004 F Series trucks, 250s and 350s. What this kit does is convert to a 4-link away from the factory harsh riding leaf springs, and it's a complete bolt-on system. Centerpiece of the kit being an adjustable coil-over shock. Kit's completely made of mild steel, powder coated, 100% bolt-on. Very, very simple install using the existing stock front axle, steering, drive line, brake lines, everything. Kit consists of a new bolt-on coil-over shock tower, brackets to the frame for the 4-link bars, actual axle mount to the front axle to convert it to a clevis mount so you can mount the control arms. And then it comes with other stuff that's kind of standard to a lift kit. Drop track bar bracket, new jounce bumpers, adjustable front track bar, etc. Also uses a really cool torsion NASCAR style front sway bar that we get away from. We get rid of the stock bar and go to a little bit heavier rate front bar to account for the additional height and raised center of gravity, and in this case width, because we're going to be putting a little bit wider tire and wheel on it. So a little more leverage, need a little bit more spring rate on the torsion bar to make it ride right. As I mentioned before, the centerpiece of this kit is in this case we're using a Bilstein 24-inch long, 8-inch stroke, 2.5-inch diameter adjustable preload coilover shock with remote reservoir. This is, in our estimation, probably 70 to 75% better in terms of ride quality, better drivability all the way around, better on-center feel at 75 miles an hour going down the road, and just a much, much better way to do it, and very popular for these vehicles. Now that we've completed our 4-link ICG coilover shock conversion on the front of the Excursion, we're going to move to the rear and we're going to install our new unique RTLS system. RTLS is an acronym for Rear Torque Link System. And what it is It's the addition of a rear lower trailing arm, or we call it truck arm, 60 inches long, both right and left, and it utilizes the stock spring. And what's unique about it is it adds a shackle on both ends of the spring, therefore freeing up the way that spring moves and eliminating a lot of problems like axle wrap and whatnot. And this kit is designed to eliminate rear axle wrap completely. The rear axle is now being held by these new trailing arms in the rear. We add a panhard bar in the back for lateral stability, and it's 100% bolt-on, 100% adjustable as far as pinion angle, and got a little bit of adjustment for length as far as wheelbase change. We're going to be adding Bilstein 5160 remote reservoir rear shocks, and all bolt-on, several holes to drill, no welding involved though, but about a 6 to 8 hour install. And this is going to actually make way more of an improvement in the ride because it improves geometry overall.